A warm welcome to this mindfulness guided meditation. The following mindfulness meditation is designed to recognize and accept difficult emotions, sensations, urges to uncontrollable and uncertain situations, allowing them to be as they are and not giving into the urges. Let's make sure we assume a comfortable posture, a posture that is comfortable for the body and mind and helps stay attentive. Slowly closing your eyes or softening your gaze and following the guidance. Bring gentle attention to the parts of your body, releasing any tension if there is, stretching your legs, stretching your hands, gently stretching your back, moving the shoulders in a way that it is soothing for them. Moving up to your neck, moving your neck in a way that eases it. Observing any tension that is there and the relaxation as you do this. Now moving your head one way and the other and progressing to the face. Notice the expressions on your face. If there is none, just notice that as well. And then gently stretching the facial muscles, wiggling your jaws, letting go of any tension in the eyebrows, in the forehead. You could give a soft massage to your cheeks, temples and forehead with your palm and fingers if you wish. Just becoming aware of the muscles as you comfort them. Moving up to your head and just noticing that it has a top. You may gently massage the scalp and back of your head if you wish. And then resting your hands on the thighs or on either sides of your body, whichever makes you comfortable. And now bringing complete attention to the sensations in your body as a whole and observing the posture. Now that we are settled in the body, to help us settle in our mind, let's take a few mindful deep breaths with gradual and deep in-breath through the nostrils and gentle and gradual exhale through the mouth. Let's do this 2 more times quietly. And then returning to the rhythm of breathing that is natural for you. Now bring to your awareness a recent challenge in your life that was the cause of a problematic emotion, a situation which was highly dependent on others and beyond your control, one which you intend to work with now. For example, maybe there was a delay in getting results of your exam, or onboarding to the job you were selected for. Perhaps not having clarity about when the classes of the college you got admission into would begin. Losing a job, or maybe waiting for the travel ban to be lifted, or a health condition. So, bringing to your mind a situation which is neither the biggest challenge that you faced nor small enough to not cause any distress. If you are new to this practice, choose a lesser challenging situation. As you continue with the practice, you could work with more and more challenging situations. Remember to be compassionate to yourself in making the choice while mindfully choosing a situation that is indeed challenging for you. As best as you can, bring the situation in detail to your mind, paying attention to where this happened, the people you were with, and what you were doing, putting yourself back into that challenging moment. Imagine being in the situation and all the difficulties, the tension associated with the situation. Now notice any feelings or emotions that are connected to this difficulty. If you can, give this emotion a name, a label. For example, anger, guilt, frustration, shame, stress. and bring an attitude of curiosity to the emotion. If possible, notice what is the color of this emotion. What color could represent this emotion? What object represents the emotion you are experiencing now? And becoming aware of where in your body you can feel this emotion. Just try to spot it as best as you can. Look out for any unpleasant indicators in the body. They could be faster heartbeats, frowning eyebrows, any physical tension, rumbling in the stomach, sweating, shivering of the fingers, clenching of the teeth, tightness in the jaw, back or shoulders. Just observe where you can feel the sensation. Do not worry if you cannot spot the location of the sensation. Just acknowledge the difficulty and move your attention back to breathing. With practice, you will get better at recognizing it. Feel the sensation along with your breathing to bring awareness to the present. Now notice what urge and temptations come up. What are they telling you to do in response to the feelings you have? Are they telling you to go away from the situation? Are they telling you to figure out answers? Are they telling you to research on the net to seek the answers? Perhaps to ask someone else? Maybe to shout? To fight the situation? Or to stay in the situation? Just pay attention to what urges come up. Making space for the difficult feelings, sensations, and urges that surface, including all of them just as a part of your experience and not pushing them away, not giving in to the actions, allowing things to just be as they are, not changing anything. Bring the attitudes of friendliness, kindness to the distress you may be feeling. placing your hand as a friendly gesture on the area of your sensation. A friendly hand is a soothing hand. It represents compassion, kindness, and understanding. Do it the way you would soothe a child or a friend in pain, not judging, but with a lot of genuine care and affection. When you give compassion, it helps to let things come and go and not react. Now move your attention to the whole body and its posture. If you wish, you may adjust the body posture to make yourself comfortable again. Now let go of the challenging situation and its details, the feelings, sensations, and urges mindfully, bringing your attention gently to breathing, observing every in-breath and every out-breath as you inhale and as you exhale. As we are nearing the end of this meditation, remember to come back to this practice anytime you want to ground yourself and to cultivate the qualities of acceptance and surrender to uncontrollable events, to uncertain situations, and to cultivate resilience. When you hear a bell sound, slowly open your eyes and come back to your room.